Hello everybody, this is the Griffith Intensive Week. I'm Rashi Gupta, your Ireland advisor. So information दो types की होती है. First is the general information. Why study in Ireland, PR opportunities, stay back, top courses to study, country economics, etc. Which is the same for all universities. The second is university specific. And every higher education institute in Ireland has 2 or 3 unique points, which of course I have also learned with practice over the years helping students. I'm going to discuss each higher education institute one by one at a time. And today, let's take some time to know the application process when applying for Griffith College Dublin. So the process starts with submission of documents to the university. The checklist is something that I will be sharing with you in the comments below. From submission of documents, you will get the conditional or an unconditional offer letter, which should take about 2 to 3 days' time. Every student has to wait to receive an invoice to be able to confirm the offer. The invoice is basically a faculty approval, and 99% of the offers do get the invoice. So the invoice takes about 4 to 15 days for the student to receive, and the time period between the unconditional offer letter and the invoice should be utilized to do 2 things. Firstly, you should meet the conditions on your offer if it is a conditional offer letter. And secondly, prepare the students to arrange the funds so that as soon as the invoice comes, you are ready to do the fee payments. Post the invoice, the student should make the fee payments. The minimum tuition fee to be paid is 7,500 euros, which will help the student secure the seat and also file the visa. Post the tuition fee payment, prepare the visa file. The visa takes about 30 days for the decision to come. Once the visa has been approved, it is then that you should pay the balance fee and make the necessary arrangements to fly off to Ireland. So this is the application process when applying to Griffith College Dublin. Hope this has been helpful. I will see you in another session with more details.